Are you ready to revolutionize the way quality control happens on your factory floor? Today, we're diving into 5 AI tools that are not only changing the game, but could save your small manufacturing business millions. By the end, you'll learn how a tiny sensor can predict machine failures before they happen, a new way to analyze products with just a glance, and an unexpected method to streamline your entire QC process. Let's kick things off with AI vision systems. These tools use advanced computer vision algorithms to inspect products on the assembly line in real time. They're capable of detecting defects that even the most trained human eye might miss. Imagine a visual inspection tool that learns and improves over time, adapting to the specifics of your products. This means fewer faulty products leaving your factory, saving you on returns, and protecting your brand reputation. Next up are predictive maintenance sensors. These smart sensors collect data from machinery and use AI to predict when parts are likely to fail. This proactive approach means you can schedule maintenance before a breakdown occurs, avoiding costly downtime. With AI-driven insights, you can extend the lifespan of your machinery, optimize maintenance schedules, and ultimately save on repair costs. AI-powered quality analytics takes your quality control data to the next level. These tools analyze vast amounts of data from various points in your production process to identify patterns and suggest improvements. By doing so, they help you understand the root causes of quality issues and optimize your processes accordingly. This not only enhances product quality but also streamlines your entire production operation. Routine quality checks can be repetitive and time-consuming. AI can automate these routine inspections, freeing up your staff to focus on more strategic tasks. For example, AI-driven cameras can continuously monitor production lines and alert staff if anything goes awry, ensuring that quality standards are consistently met without constant human intervention. Finally, let's look at dynamic data redistribution. This AI tool optimizes how data is handled across your quality control systems. By ensuring that data is efficiently distributed and processed, it prevents bottlenecks and improves the overall speed and accuracy of your quality control efforts. The result is a smoother operation that can adapt to changes in demand and production scale. Which of these AI tools could transform your manufacturing process? Let us know in the comments below, or visit us at gradientdata.com for more information.